Hello, friends. Welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. As I promised, from now onwards, we are going to do a weekly analysis on Indian indexes like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other major indexes. So, friends, this today's video is very important because I am seeing lot of breakouts in various indexes, and that will help you to think or decide on your holdings if they are of those indexes. So before we go ahead and do our analysis, I would like you all to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all future videos notification. So let's go and see where these indexes are heading towards. So here the first index is Nifty. You can see Nifty has given a very good rally. And now if we do the analysis on half hourly chart, you can see the Nifty is trading in this range. Now I am seeing a major support on in the Nifty around 7770 is the first support, and second support is coming towards 17600. So 17600 is the major support and 17770 is a first support. Now from here onwards I am seeing almost 300 points upside in the Nifty, but that will be when once Nifty starts trading above 17,900, then the first psychological target will be 18,000, and from there will be a 200 points upside. So the final target would be 18,200, and that target will be between 1 to 2 months. But here we need to understand Nifty should start trading above 17,900. Once it starts trading above that, then you will be seeing those targets. Why? The reason is that Nifty has created a flag pattern on 30 minutes chart, and breakout above 17,900 will give you that target. If you see the daily chart, in the daily chart, Nifty is continuously showing upside. If you see the hourly chart, on the hourly chart also you will see this flag is get flag pattern is going to form. So this was about Nifty. The next index is Bank Nifty. Now for the Bank Nifty I am seeing a very good pattern. Okay, so don't get confused here. If you see here, the Bank Nifty made a top of almost, you can see 17,700, sorry, 37,700 was the top in the Bank Nifty on 16 Feb 2021. Now that after that top, that it got broke, and it went till 37,720 on 16th of September. After that, again it went down and again it started going up. So where is the support in the Bank Nifty? I am seeing a very strong support in the Bank Nifty between 36,250 to 36,480. So this range, okay, is a support area for the Bank Nifty. The support area between 36,250 and 36,470. 70, right? Now, what are the targets in the Bank Nifty? The targets in the Bank Nifty are huge. Okay, I am expecting a minimum 5,000 points upside in the Bank Nifty, and this upside will pull Nifty on the higher end. Okay, now you can see here when one should buy Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty related stocks, right? So uh, if any pullback toward 37,000, right, and 36,500, okay, that will be the right time to add bank nifty stocks or bank nifty index itself in the futures. So I'm talking about this first pullback 37,000 and second pullback at 36,450. If you get between these points, right, like 37,000 or 36,500, then these are definitely good levels where we can add bank nifty and bank nifty related stocks. The short term target for the bank nifty is almost 5,000 points from here, right? And the long term target in the bank nifty is almost 8,000 points from here, right? From 36,500, 5,000 points upside in next 6 months, and 8,000 points upside in next 6 to 12 months is the target for the bank nifty. Now this target will not come, uh, easily, right? There will be some upsides, then pull back, again upside, then pull back. The you can say time correction will be there, right? But these are the targets for higher time frames. Now the next index we have is IT. For the IT, you can see on the day chart, currently it has created a gravestone doji, right? So if you have attended my technical analysis class, you will understand that you might have understood that when there is a gravestone doji and then it is followed by a red candle, then there is a downside. Okay, so let's see, uh, in the hourly chart, if you see here, the IT index was trading in this nice channel, right? This nice channel got formed. Now there are two possibilities. Right now it is trading at 37,140. The first support for IT index is at 37,040. If it sustains above that, then high probability that it can again pull back from here and go up, and it will try to achieve its previous high, which is at 37,750. But if it doesn't sustain at 37,040, then the first target would be 36,721. Second target would be 36,120. Okay, so if I extend this line, right, so it says that uh, IT can come back into its channel if it doesn't sustain on the levels I mentioned, and it can come back towards 36,000 levels. Okay, so if it comes here and then give a pullback from here, then the buying should be around 36,120. So at this point of time, I am not recommending buy positions in IT index unless and until it take reverse from here, then it can go back towards the previous high. If it doesn't take the reverse, if it starts trading below 37,040 for 1 or 2 hours, then it will go back to 36,720. And if doesn't sustain there, then definitely it is going to going back towards 36,100. So if we take U-turn from here, then here is the first buying level. Otherwise, the best buying level should be near 36,100. So friends, this was about CNX IT. And in case you feel that this video is helping you guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this channel. The next index here we have is Cnx Pharma. So let's see in the bigger time frame what pharma indexes is saying. So if you see here, pharma index is trading in this channel right now at this point of time. Okay, and if I change it to hourly chart here, then you can see on the lower time frames, it is trading in this wedge channel, right? So uh, for the pharma, the good buying is definitely above 14,700. Once it starts trading above 14,700, then there will be a good upside in the pharma. And let me give you the price target. The price target will be almost 1,000 points from here. So just a moment. So Cnx Pharma will give almost 8% upside from here. So try to understand, if index is going to give 8% upside once it starts trading above 14,700, then think about the stocks of that index. They are going to give you minimum 20 to 30% upside from there. So we need to wait. As I tell you guys many times, we really need to wait for the levels, right? Once the index or stock is starts trading above the levels which we identified, then try to get into the position with the conviction. And definitely we always should have the stop loss in our trade plan. The next index we have is Cnx Metals. Okay, so you can see here metals has a very good support around, the first support is around 5,400, and the major support is in this zone of 5,100 to 5,000, 4,950, right? So the first support is at 5,400 here, and the second support area is this one, 5,120 to 4,980. So for this index, definitely buying should be near this trend line support. This trend line support, near this trend line support means I would wait for this index to correct up to this level, right, in this zone. And from the here, if it takes u-turn, then definitely it will come back into the channel, and definitely it will try to uh, give the first target of 6,000. This will be the first target of this index. So this was about metal index. The next index we have here is Cnx Infra. Okay, so Cnx Infra, you can see here a few days back it was trading in this channel, and it gave a breakout on 30 August 2021, and now uh, we are expecting the target of 600 points from here. So currently it gave us the upside till this point, and it has a capacity to give 300 to 400 points upside from here, right? So almost 5,300 to 5,500 is the first target for the Cnx Infra. Now you can see here Cnx Infra has a very good short-term support at 4,990. This is the first support, and the second major support is coming at 4,865. Okay, and I can see one more support around 4,900. So where to buy the infra stocks? Infra stocks one should buy at this level, at this point of time right now. If it is sustaining above 4,990, then this will be the first price point, this will be the first buy position here. The second buying is coming near, if it is not holding that 4,990 level, then the second buying should come around 4,920 is the second buy level, and it has a major support around 4,860. And see, it has two probabilities. First, it can take a U-turn from here and go up, or second, it can come towards 4920 and go up from here. So those are the two possibilities we have. And as I mentioned, the targets are very big for the infra. uh, we already have the position in the GMR infra, if you guys remember. So that's why we are holding the GMR infra stock, because I am seeing a major upside in the infra sector here. The next sector we have is FMCG. If you see hourly chart in the FMCG, it was nicely trading into this channel, and currently it is holding at the support level of 41,000. Okay, 41,000 is a good support level here. So FMCG is attractive, is looking attractive at this point of time, as well as if it breaks this support, it can go towards 40,600 levels. Okay, so the first buying level should be near here, and the second buying level should be near here. And if it comes here, then from here it will have the first target here, second target would be at 41,400, and the third target is at 41,650. And if it holds this target, then it can go much higher levels from here. So let's see here. Okay, so this was about FMCG. The next index we have is Cnx Energy. So for the energy, you can see here, it was nicely trading in this channel from the long time. Okay, now if you see the hourly chart here, in the hourly chart, I can see the major supports coming around. Currently it is in the no trade zone, the energy. Either it should go back toward 21,570, and the second point at 21,370. So here my recommendation would be not buying at this level, but buying at this level, 21,370. If it comes near this support zone, okay, then there can be one buying, and the second buying would be near 21,180. So if it comes into these two levels, then definitely there should be a buying in the energy related stocks. So friends, this is regarding the indexes. You need to find the best performing stocks of those index and have a watch on that. Once index hits the level which we discuss here, uh, go with the conviction, and take the position in the stocks related to those index. And as I always say, you should have your due diligence and risk management always with you before taking any position. The next index is Cnx Auto. So friends, here I want to give you the bonus tip. Diwali is coming, okay, and Dasera, Diwali, and all festival season is coming, okay. This index is definitely perform in next 2 to 3 months, okay, and the targets are very big, my friends. So you can have a look on Tata Motors, uh, and other TVS Motors, and there are a lot of stocks of auto index, Bajaj Auto, uh, whatever, your favorite stocks. Have a, uh, those stocks ready with you. Once this index starts trading above, okay, once this index starts trading above 10,800, you will expect upside of almost 6,500 points in next uh, 1 year to 1 year 6 months. Okay, if this index starts trading about 10,800, then you might see almost 6,500 points rally in next 1 year to 2 year. Okay, this is a very long term target. So all the auto stocks which are in your radar, keep a long term horizon for them, and you are going to get very big returns in coming years. Okay, so this index analysis is for the long term. Okay, and on the shorter time frame, if you see, once it starts trading about 10,800, then you are going to get at least 1500 to 1600 points upside from 10,800, right? So that is coming around 10,800, 11,800, and 12,500. 12,500 to 12,700 would be the first target in shorter time frame like 3 to 6 months. Okay, so major focus should be on this index. The next index we have is reality. I am seeing a very good breakout in this index as well. So from today's video, I think you should focus on reality as well as auto index. Why reality index? Because there is a very good breakout it has given on the weekly chart. Okay, the first target, and you can see last week it gave a very good breakout. Okay, now this index is having a support around 368. If you get chance, by chance, if there is a correction in the market and reality index give a correction, if it comes near 360 to 370 levels, definitely go and buy some stocks of reality index like DLF. I know the stock of DLF, which I had a position around 330 rupees, and I'm still holding that. So the first target would be, uh, just let me check here. The first target should be around 538, and the next target is coming around. The next target is coming around 680, right? So if the index is going to go up by almost, let me see, uh, 30%, then definitely think about the stocks of those index of this index. They are definitely give you the minimum 30 to 50% upside from here in coming weeks. So that must be between 3 to 6 months time frame. Okay, so now we have the very last index from today's list. It's a mid cap index. Mid cap, you can see here. Let me show you on the hourly time frame. I am expecting a pullback in the mid cap. If it gives a pullback around, you can see here, from 30,000 to 29,300 or 28,800, then there is a good buying opportunity on this index, and it can give a U-turn from here, and then it will try to go above the previous highs, right? And if it doesn't start trading below 30,000, then also from here it can give you the U-turn, and it is definitely going to give you the 400 points upside from here minimum, and try to break the previous high, and it can give almost 300 to 500 points upside from here minimum. All right, so friends, this was about all the indexes. I think we have covered almost 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 indexes of Indian stock market, and the major focus should be on auto and reality and the bank nifty. So three indexes, friends, we need to focus on: bank nifty, auto, and reality. So friends, this is all about today's video, and uh, I would again request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the future videos notification, and share this video with your friends and family so that it will help them to uh, decide on their positions, and they should not come out of their position early. So many times what happens, we don't know where we need to exit, and we keep major chunk of profit on the table. So I think this is all about today's video, and let's learn and earn together. All the best.